Hey you guys, I want to show you something amazing. I'm running an audio signal through an oscilloscope. We can see exactly the same wave that we're hearing at the same time on both audio channels, and use them to draw with sound.
You're going to say. Nowadays, anyone with a bunch of spare waves can actually draw mushrooms on an oscilloscope. Or butterflies. Or the Death Star. But that doesn't really sound like music. Or does it?
Okay, I think I lost myself a little there. Anyway, this is what I'm gonna do. I will make an entire audiovisual oscilloscope album for you. But wait, there's more. You will also get the complete software package to experiment with. But I need your help. You can make this happen if you support my crowdfunding campaign on Kickstarter. Hey you guys, I want to show you something amazing. I'm running an audio signal through an oscilloscope. We can see exactly the same wave that we're hearing at the